all those people say they're going through something, just go around it. It's not that hard.
Maybe she's born with it. Or maybe, just maybe, it's mental illness, innit?
Here's a really fun fact for y'all. It's like a really cool statistic. I was just reading this on the internet. 100% of men have the audacity.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today has been the worst day of my life. As a Gemini, someone who's very dramatic, someone who's slightly immature, I tend to say that a lot, but this time, it's pretty real.
Hey, so, like, not to be controversial or anything, but it's not because you're a Gemini, it's because you have trauma.
The purpose of this video is to fix my eyebrows, which I decided to get waxed today. And if you don't know, I'm extremely proud of my large eyebrows, but where are they? Ma'am, they are gone. They're gone. They're just gone. And this video is going to be grafting your eyebrow hair from your own hair. Now, one of my main issues is going to be that my own hair is a different color. Anyways, the thing that is prompting such a dramatic reaction to this eyebrow plucking is that also I got dumped today. It's fine, everything's fine. So this is why I am cutting my hair off and gluing it to my own eyebrows. Here are some supplies that you will need. Scissors, tweezers. You should dampen your hair. I just got out of the bath and I'm also using this tear-free baby detangler. God, I wish this could detangle my love life right now. So I like going to get my brows done. It's a new lady and I'm at a new place. Haven't gotten my brows done in over a year. And whenever I last got them done, I complained about them for about 2 months because they looked like little string beans, kind of how they look right now. And I like my brows to be thick and beautiful. And I told this woman that. I was like, I want them to be thick. I just want them to be cleaned up. Does this look cleaned up to you? Your brows should align here. Here. I just don't get it. I don't get it. And she also left like a bunch of little tiny hairs like way down here. And I was like, so we're gonna fix that with our own hair. And also, I'm depressed and I want to make a funny video to make me laugh and forget that I'm alone in the world. This is not my healthiest coping mechanism, but it is my funniest. I'm gonna want to get a really small strand of hair because I'm afraid of my hairdresser and I don't want her to be mad at me. So we're just gonna take it. Oh, there she is. Oop. And what's really gonna help us is if you dip it in some water. So I'm just gonna dip it in one of these several cups that has been laying out on my dresser for the past several weeks. The floss doesn't really matter. I just want all my hair to stay together, if that makes sense, which is something that I'm not very good at doing. So, now this may be gross to some of you. I don't care. I literally could not be bothered to care about anything but how terribly my brows look and how completely alone I am in the world. So, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna start by taking the darker strand and we're just gonna snip off a pretty lengthy bit. And this is some old lash glue. Then you're gonna take your hair. Actually, I'm realizing this is not a great adhesive when wet. Oh my god, I miss him so much. It's only been like an hour and I told him that I was not gonna do this. But I'm depressed. We're just gonna keep going. This might actually be easier to do with individual hairs. So I'm just gonna have a little place on my desk that is littered with little bits and pieces of my hair. That's a totally normal thing to do after a breakup, right? Come on, Cosmo, back me up on this. I think it might look good if I just keep going. And also maybe if you fan out, like split the ends a little bit, then you can lay them down like that. Oh yeah, okay, I can see how that would work. I wish I could say that he'd be proud of me for actually doing this, but he would not. He'd be concerned. Anyone seeing this right now should be concerned. Not like too concerned, but concerned enough. But please don't check in on me because I'll be embarrassed. I'm trying to explain what my mental health actually looks like. And this is what it looks like. Gluing my own hair to my own forehead at 7 p.m. on a Saturday night. I'm gonna try and cut off a lot of the excess up here. It's coming together. We're gonna try a different approach to the more patient people. So right now I'm picking up individual hairs and putting them right on my forehead. Is it just my depression speaking, or does this almost look okay? I think I'm just doing this for something to do tonight so that I don't have to think about how the rest of the summer I'll literally have nothing to do because my best friend is just gone. But if anything grafting my own hair has taught me is that I don't know what I'm doing and I'm a really big mess. So if you're into that, please give me a call because I don't know why. I can't give you a single good reason to want to date me. And as someone who's putting her own hair on her eyebrows, I mean, if you're watching this, maybe you should know that by now. You know, I feel like this might look bad, but it is better than giving myself bangs. This video really isn't funny anymore. It's just me getting more and more depressed. And I'm sorry for that, but I really can't do anything about it. And I wish that I could, but I can't.